Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Apple Pay account being locked or restricted. All right, so let's begin with the video. One common reason this can happen is incorrect account information, especially your date of birth. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. Next, select Personal Information. This section contains your Apple ID account details. Now look for Date of Birth and open it. Check that your birth date is correct. If the information is incorrect, update it with your real details and save the changes by tapping Done. Incorrect birth information can sometimes create account restrictions or verification issues, so making sure it matches your actual information can help resolve the problem. After updating it, try using Apple Pay again and see if the restriction has been removed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Apple Pay account being locked or restricted. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.